waiting sa misa guys, part 2 sa Viva Santo Niño. Ayan guys, si Santo Niño sa Bago Bantay, Quezon City. Ang ganda ng ilaw nila guys. Time to check is alas 3 guys. Itong kapitbahay naming lugar guys, Bago Bantay. Ganda ng decoration sa altar.
The Mass is the highest form of prayer we can offer to the Lord.
Thank you guys
To make
for
our
watching.
participation in this holy
Bye-bye.
celebration full and active.
Magmisa na kasi
Everyone
guys.
is encouraged to turn off their mobile phones, respond to the responses, and join in the hymns as appropriate. Today, we are celebrating the feast of the Santo Niño. The holy celebration will be presided by Reverend Father Shaw. Please all stand.